Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing another series of apartment tours. I am Uptown Charlotte. I haven't showed you guys any apartments in Uptown, so I figured I would start branching out to different places in Charlotte. Last time I was showing you guys apartments in South Charlotte, so we're moving on. I'm currently in a parking garage of Museum Tower. These apartments, if you're looking for something and you don't mind it being a little bit pricey, I'm mostly looking at 2-bedroom apartments. So we're gonna go inside and check this one out, but I want to give you guys a quick rundown before I went inside. It is a 44 or 48 story building. It's really beautiful. I'll give you guys all the details, and I just wanted to make sure I come on here and make sure you guys follow me on all my social medias. I'll have them linked down below so that you guys can check those out, and make sure you follow me on Instagram so that you guys never miss any of my looks. Today, just did a little simple look here. Not my typical hairdo, but yeah, this is what we got. So we're gonna jump right into the video. Okay, so parking and finding this place is crazy. This is a freaking elevator. I don't know. I don't like the way this feels on my stomach. Okay guys, so just wanted to give you guys a few quick disclaimers before we start this video. Number one, I currently have COVID. So that's why my voice sounds like this, but I wanted to go ahead and get this video out. It has been long enough, and that's why it has been a delay, because I can't tour while I'm sick. So that's number one. Number two, the angles of these videos, because I was trying not to show the young lady's face and anyone that was out there, like I didn't want to show them in the video. So I just made sure that I angled the camera down to keep them from doing that, but you still get a pretty good look at all the apartments. If you don't, I'm sorry. I will have it linked so that you guys can take a look at it yourselves. But this unit is one of the 2-bedroom apartments. Bear with me guys, like I said, my voice is a little bit messed up, but I wanted to get this out for you guys. This is a 2-bedroom 2-bathroom unit. And this apartment here, it did have an extra den area. So this is the kitchen. Those dark cabinets I thought were really pretty. This is the den area, the extra room that they have. So it's almost like a 3-bedroom instead of a 2-bedroom. So it's basically like 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, because this part is the den. All of the units come with a Nest thermostat and a view. Like, do y'all see this view? This is crazy. This was on, I believe, about like 21st floor, I think. Yeah, this was the 21st floor. And all of these units come with a Nest thermostat. All of them have wall mounts. They're all wall mount ready, so you can mount your TV, and the wires will be hidden. They all have a patio of some sort. This is the closet. They do all come with the built-ins. On the odd floors, the kitchen cabinets are dark, and on the even floors, the cabinets are white. But the bathrooms all have like this light color in there, which is really pretty. And the marble on the walls of the backsplash for the bathrooms, that I thought that was really pretty. It just gives it a bright feeling in there. All the rooms are hardwood. The closets have carpet in them, but as you can see, those are dark cabinets because we're on an odd floor. And all of the appliances are included, washer and dryer and everything. There's also a guest apartment that you can rent. It's like a room or whatever, like a hotel basically, for your guests for $200. This is the trash incinerator. So you just go there and put your trash in there. We're actually going to an apartment on the 38th floor, which is an even number. So you'll see that those cabinets will be white. And we're just walking to the new unit on the, to the next unit on the even floor. So I thought that was really cool, and that's just what it looks like. There's your Nest thermostat when you first enter the unit. The lighting is crazy in here. So this unit here, which is why I wanted to show you guys this is the only floor plan that has basically a laundry room. All of them have the full-size washer and dryer, but this is the only floor plan that they have in the whole entire building that has a laundry room, like with that actual room where you can put a shelf or bookshelf or anything like that in there. This one, the backsplash is also a little different because it's on the even floor, so that's different in here. They do have units where the cabinets are white and then the backsplash is gray, instead of like that tri-tone gray tile back there. They do have one where it's just gray, which I thought was like really pretty. But these views with this floor to ceiling panoramic window, it's just so pretty. Like this view right here of the Panther Stadium will make me want to move, and I don't even watch football, but just because of the view is just so gorgeous. Like you can see everything. You can see the airport, you can see some mountains way far in the back. It's just like sunrise and sunsets on these views are amazing, because I can't remember which one is which, but if I'm not mistaken, this one is the sun setting is that you get. On the other apartment that we looked at just now, that one is the sunrise. But you get this view that's just so amazing. You see highways, you see everything. You can see South Charlotte from there. Like it, she tells me all of these things. So I just made sure I jotted them down so that I could tell you guys. And I'm gonna link them down below. Link the website and everything down below. But again, you have this beautiful marble backsplash in the shower. Built-ins again in the closet with the carpet on the floor. This one would be a guest bathroom. The master bathroom does have the double vanity sink, and these dark countertops is just so beautiful. Like I didn't even go outside on the patios because you get the same views from your windows inside the house. Like it's just like living outside almost. Like it's so pretty. Like I didn't turn on any bedroom lights, and look at that, it's so bright in there. And it does come with the shades already to help block out some of that sun. That bathtub was huge. This one did have a storage closet in the bathroom, as you can see. Plenty of space for a hamper. It's space on the top shelf. Like everything about this unit was really pretty. So now we're outside on the top level. I can't remember if it's 44 floors or 48 floors, but this is what they call their sky deck. And that is the views. That building right there is that pointy looking building in Charlotte. If y'all live here or from here, y'all know what I'm talking about. It's kind of shaped like a triangle at the top. And then of course the Bank of America building is straight right in front of me right now. Those are the gas grills to the right. This is a TV. There are actually little fire pit kind of things out here as well. The stations do have heat. The pool does have heat as well. It's just a really nice lounge area. And it was very windy up here, so I had to cut the sound off here as well. but it's just a really nice place to hang out. Like, the views, like, I can't get enough of the views. This pool went up to, I believe it was 4 feet was the deepest, but that's still a pretty good size for a pool, because it's a really long pool. On this side is where you have the fire pits. There's some more seating, but right here is the fireplace. So here we're still on the same floor. This is just the Sky Lounge side. Also still pretty views. Right behind this couch is the view of the Panther Stadium from up here, which was also really nice. It's just a little bit higher than the one in the apartment. And some of these apartments did have like the pillars in the living room, in the living area, as well as in these different common areas. This was another place where they said that another person, like, she told me a lot of people that lived there, some were YouTubers and just other people. And y'all know I don't really like when they tell you stuff about other people, but just be mindful, they talk. I just came from looking at Museum Tower here in Charlotte, and oh my God. Like, y'all, if I hadn't just got my place, I would be living here, okay? This place is so gorgeous. Like, the views, as y'all can see in the video, it is so nice. Like, it's really a beautiful place. The staff was really nice. Everything about this place was really nice, as you can see in the video, and all the details that I share with you guys. The views were like, what sells this place. Like, without the views, it's just a regular complex, like any other complex. But because it's a tower and it's a high-rise, the views really sell it. Like, it really does. So yeah, I decided to start doing these videos one at a time. All the information for this high-rise apartment building will be linked down below in the description box, so make sure you check that out. This place is really beautiful. If you are looking to spend a little bit more for luxury living, then this is a really nice option for you guys. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so that you can catch my next video, and I will catch you there. Bye.